Yo guys, it's Badger here, and today we are gonna have a look at this industrial endoscope, which is in this little box and pretty easy to use. The fun part is it is actually capable to be used with your smartphone. You can record right away with it. So there's different adapters. If you're not on an USB-C dongle, you can switch that. But let's just hop over to the device itself and have a look what we actually got here, and then yeah, we will see how it works. Made wise, it seems pretty decent. Nothing to complain about here, and I would say we throw that on our phone and see how it actually looks like when it's on there. So now we're in the bathroom, and as you see there's a little lamp on top, and then you just smooth it in. The range of the light is not bad at all, and yeah, it works right away after you plugged it in, and you can use it, and that's gonna be it for today.